welcome to the Kids Fun Toys. Today is learning time at Kids Fun Toys, and we get to learn the sounds of some farm animals. First, we start off with a cat. This is a cat. Next is a cow. This is a cow with brown spots. Next, we have a dog. This is a dog. This is a horse with a dark brown mane. Here is a sheep. This is a donkey. And this is a pig. Here we got a goat. Next, we got a chicken. Here we got a cow with a black spots. Here we got another horse, this time with a light brown mane. Here we got a bunny. Learning is fun at Kids Fun Toys. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe for more Fun Toys videos right here at the Kids Fun Toys channel.